Just read.
The rectangle is below of the same perimeter. If the area of the right rectangle is 6 square,
Millimeter.
what are its dimensions?
Okay, just the same question, right? Okay. So what is the perimeter of the left rectangle?
10.
10. Okay. If the perimeter is 10, how about the right rectangle?
10.
10 also. And based on the given, ano pa? The right rectangle is, or the area of the right rectangle is what?
6.
6 square millimeter. So, meaning to say, you have to think two numbers whose product is 6. And the perimeter must be 10, right? Okay. O, sige. Ano na isip mo? Is it 2 and 3? 2 times 3 is 6. How about the perimeter? 2 plus 3, 5 times 2, 10. Is that correct? Okay, so okay, very good.